Ndumiriri ya President Uhuru Kenyatta kuri bururi ciumia ithatu tu thutha wa kuregeria mawatho ma COVID-19 yukite o riri namba ya arwaru irongerereka na makiria ma arwaru 1,000 o kiumia.
Good afternoon.
Na thutha wa mucemanio na magavana, thirikari ikinyaniirie kunyitanyitia mamwe ma mawatho maria makoretwo kuo ma kurigiriria gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19, President akiuria Kenya matige kuhuthia murimu uyu ati tondu bururi nduri urahanana na mabururi maria meheirwo.
Countries whose citizens have taken a careless or relaxed attitude have suffered greatly. Let us not think that we are immune or special. We're not. Please, fellow Kenyans, let us not follow the examples that we have seen across the world.
Irabu iguthie na mbere na kuhingo kwa ihinda ria thiku 30, njohi ndiriendagirio mikawa-ini ta uria kurari hau kabere, na riu mikawa irihingagwo thaa 1 cia hwaini handu ha thaa 2 ta uria kurari hau kabere.
The Inspector General of the National Police Service shall cause withdrawal of all licenses for bars operating in breach of this directive, and those withdrawals shall be permanent.
President oho akiongerera ihinda ria curfew na thiku ingi 30, watho uria augite wagirirwo ni kuiganania a Kenya othe gutekumakania gikiro kia mundu.
The Inspector General of Police shall ensure that his officers spare no muheshimiwa, no individual, irregardless of social status or rank, who is either out after curfew without being an essential worker, or who flaunts the health protocols that have been set out.
Mishemanio ya muingi iguthie na mbere na kugathikirwa mawatho marumu, kuona guthamathama kwa andu na wingi wa andu handu hamwe nikuo kuratuma murimu uyu utambe na ihenya.
The National Government Administration officers and the National Police Service will strictly enforce Ministry of Health protocols on public gatherings and particularly funerals. That strict personal sanction will ensue to all police and national administration officers in whose areas of jurisdiction there is a breach of the said guidelines.
No na gutwika kuhingurwo gwa bururi kiambiriria-ini kia mweri uyu, President augite ni kwahuthikire uria gutagiriire wigiririki wa mundu kiumbe niguo urehokwo hanene angikorwo bara ino ni kuhotanwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.